Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are all well and enjoying your life, your zindagi, and yeah. So let's start the video, okay? So yeah, you all might be thinking that why have I opened a certificate? Okay, so it's actually what what to say? It's actually I'm I'm trying to catch your attention. Okay, yeah, a strategy you can say, because in this era, it's a tactics you can say, or a skill to catch people's attention. Okay, so yeah, I'm also doing that. Not uh, like everyone, yeah. I'm talking about myself also. Okay, so we go through the things that we find interesting. Okay, like we find okay, it's something new, so yeah, that is my strategy. See, I don't like design thumbnails and I don't have like punchy what to say video titles and all. Okay, so that's why just I will be using this. I think if the AI will suggest the thumbnail for this only, so that's why I've opened this certificate. Okay, so let's start with the video. So what we yeah, first let me introduce myself. It will be a practice for me because I'm learning to introduce myself only. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Hi everyone, I am Muhammad Arham and I am an online BCA Bachelor's in Computer Application student from Manipal University, Jaipur, and I am from India. And what to say, yeah, I love trying and doing different things, learning different things, and not only in the studies field, but also in sports, in languages, and and yeah, like learning new things and skills. Yeah. And I don't think about that. Will I be able to master the skill, or will I be able to learn it or not? I just I try to learn, and if I like learned it, then it's okay. If not, then I try to like just learn it. Okay, so that's okay. That's the introduction. Okay, so yeah, let's move to the MS Word column. I've done lot of the catching the attentions and all. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be the 3rd June video. Okay, and today is Monday, 15th June, and actually it's like in 5 days, I'm uploading one video. Okay, so like then 3 videos in 15 days. So I'm I've become quite lazy. But okay, so let's start. So today is Monday. 15th June. Okay, so what are the courses that I've done, or what are the updates in my life? So let's go. Okay, so the courses that I have been doing. Okay, so yeah, I started the IBM AI Product Manager professional certificate, and it was like good. Yeah, and for me, but I didn't like it. Okay, because it was like more of theory. And also the projects it had what was also all the theory based. And the main thing or the main reason that I didn't like the course, I maybe will do the course in later in my life when I have the situation. Like the main thing, yeah, that was only I'm telling you. The main thing that I didn't like the course was because it wasn't relatable to me. Okay, I couldn't relate it to my life, okay, or to my what to say, to my I couldn't relate the theory with my life, okay. Because see, I never the product manager course, this course was a good course. It taught me the frameworks and also the rules and how the product manager and all. Okay, like I came to know what is a product manager. It's a thing of me, we can say, yeah. A diverse person who knows about designing, coding, managing and all. Okay, so he's like just like a manager. Okay, you can say a manager of the product from the starting, from the when the product is born, or even when the product idea has been created to the product's deadline, or the like the life cycle. The whole life cycle is and the manager of the whole product life cycle is the AI product manager, or the product manager. Okay, so yeah. And like it wasn't a waste of time. Like I started the course, I did the two of them. I will be showing also. I did the two, and then I just like what to say, yeah, opted out from the course. I left the course because I thought it wasn't me, because I couldn't relate it to my life, because I haven't been in this situation. So later I will like if situation comes, and like if I had all the things, then inshallah maybe or maybe not. Like I want to say about the future. Okay, so let's start. So what was the first course that I did? The first was the product management and introduction. Okay, so first let me show you the certificate, the main thing. Yeah, this was only. So this was the certificate IBM June. Where's the E? Okay, so yeah, June 15th, yeah, all this Muhammad Arham has the product management and introduction. So as you can see, the certificate. So now let's move towards the next. So the next thing was the foundation and stakeholder collaboration. So this was the second post. I think this was like it was in the IBM professional certificate only, but it was from Skill Up, and it is the Skill Up is like what to say, the labs in this IBM AI Product Management Manager course. The labs are from the Skill Up, so it's like a tie between those companies. Okay, so yeah, let me show that certificate. Oh, yeah, so this is the certificate of the product management and foundation and stakeholder collaboration that I got. Okay, so yeah, now let's move to the learnings that I have got from the courses. Okay, so yeah, this is the cheat sheet. Okay, again, don't go into the beauty and the structure of the notes. It was like a rough draft, a sketchy thing. But uh, okay, so I had to pause, because my mom came, and so that's why. Okay, so yeah, let's start cheat sheet. Again, what I think? Yeah, so it was a rough draft. I gave it to AI. Yeah, use AI, okay, to like an assistant. Yeah, so yeah, I used AI and got it to a good structure. So let's start. The 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 PM is the short form. Yeah, what is the short form of the product manager? Okay, so like I was also saying the same. The product manager role and its core function. The PM, yeah, so the PM sits at the intersection of business, customer, and the user experience and technology. Okay, so it's like a diverse thing, like a diverse field. Yeah, a product manager should know from like should have knowledge from diverse fields. Okay, so it helps him. The primary task: implement the vision, find a product that fills the market gap and between the market needs. Yeah, find a good product. Okay, yeah. Authority. PM have and the product managers have no direct reports. They rely on influence, communication, and collaboration. Knowledge: must know a little bit about each functional area. So yeah, here you can here it is what is saying that he should know, he or she should know a little bit about each functional area to coordinate the activities effectively. Okay, so see, when a product is built, it's not only like a technical side. Okay, like the coding will happen in the back end, the user experience and all in the front end, yeah, and the cloud, the storage, database, and all. Okay, so all these things are like from different fields, but a product manager should know all about them a little bit, so that he can communicate with them effectively, and what to say, and yeah, like just could understand what the people are building, or like he could collaborate with the teams and all. Okay, so that's fine. And the stakeholders, executive business goals, product managers, customer needs, functional area. Okay, so yeah, these are like what are the stakeholders? executives, business goals, and the product manager, the customer manager, the functional areas, coder, tester, suppliers, etc. Product versus brand. Product is like product. See, product are made in the factories and brands are made in the minds. Yeah, like I learned this quote. Uh, I came to know what the quote from a YouTube video only. So what is a brand? The promise and the image of the company. I'm sorry for the that thing. Okay. So the face or the brand, how about the customer actually experiences and all. This is the product life cycle. Yeah, CBG. Product target business to business or business to consumer, individual consumers. Then production phase. Okay, a product enters the market and all. Then the growth phase when the rapid market grows and the product like the growing and increasing profits of the product, and then the maturity where the like growth of the products becomes flattened. Okay, yeah, the sales become flattens and the focus shifts from like capturing the market to defending the market share. Okay, then the fourth is the deadline. Sales drop and when the product is about to die, like the sales drop and the product manager stays until the end of the life cycle, the sun is set. So till here, a product manager stays. But does he actually stays like a product starts like some products, we also have some products in our home that was like from my childhood till now. So does these companies like have a product manager that like from the starting to the end? Okay, so yeah, that was like a question. Like, I wanted to know. So yeah, the next thing that I came to know the development and the approach is the how, the iterative agile approach, the software development delivered incrementally product and all, and the predictive or the waterfall approach, like the strict approach, manufacturing and construction, planned entirely. See, this is the rigid part. It's planned, like planned entirely before only, and the workflow is strict, sequential plan, rigid plan. Organizations must understand manufacturing cost and all that. But agile is like on the way, in the way finding things and approaching to things and finding solutions in the way, not pre-planning. Then the critical thinking, like the data analysis mindsets, what to say. Yeah, systematic scientific approach to decision making relies on data, facts, and all. Entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship. What is it? Seeing a market need and finding a way to fill it. The entrepreneurship focus, avoiding market noise and focusing strictly on innovations. The next topic was value creation metrics, creating value, types of value, then the metrics, then the financials like cash flow, knowing about the cash flow and all. And then the portfolio management and the standards. Portfolio management grouping similar products. Because see, if I have like similar products, then why to manage each of the products separately? It will be a headache if all the products are in the same category. Like what to say, yeah, like a sports shoe, a gym shoe, and a boots and all. Okay, so these are like some things match in them, like they are all sports shoes. Okay, so why to study and put them all in the different individual fields instead? Like we should mix them and like group the similar products to form like unified overarching strategy. Okay, so this is called the portfolio management. What I have like learned and like I'm thinking about. So maybe I will be wrong. So like I will figure it out and the journey. But if you have like if you found any mistakes and also comment me and if I will try to watch it. Yeah. So then the next is product book, the product management body of language. Okay, like it's what to say, provides an industry standard framework that adapts to differently corporate cultures. So it actually you can say is like a recipe book. So what a product manager should do and all. This was from the first one. And the second is, yeah, the product management foundation and stakeholder collaboration. So the first topic was strategy and market framework. The Kotler's five level of product build, the potential, augmented, potential, future transformation, augmented, expected basics, and core benefits. See, actually, they are like, what to say? They start from this, okay, this, the core benefits, then the basic, then the expected, and then the augmented, and then the potential. So, I don't know very much about these topics, but yeah, these are things that I learned and I came to know about. So, I don't want to go in deep on all these because you know the knowledge is shallow and all. That's why. And then the second topic was the ends of matrix, the market penetration, product development, market development, and the diversification. Like these all like the new product diversification is what it is like new product plus the new market. Highest risk, yeah. Like you're trying a new product in a new market region or a new market, then yeah, the risk will be high obviously because a new product you have to test and then the market also new, you have to study the market and all of it. And then the market development, existing product plus new market. And the product development is the new, okay, product development is new product in the existing market. But market penetration is existing product and existing market. Okay. So market penetration, we can think like we are going deeper. Yeah. Penetrating to the market. Like the product is the existing one, the product is the existing one only, like the old product. And plus the market is also the existing market, the old market. So we are going deep and finding all. And then the product development, the new product is there and the market is existing and the market development is like existing product and new market. Okay. So that's the thing. And in the quarters, five forces, threat to new entry, barriers to entry, and then the threat of substitution, alternate ways to solve the problem, bargaining power, buyers, bargaining power, suppliers. Like you can say all the negative things that to keep in mind. Okay. Yeah. In the mind while launching a product or something. Yeah. Then the innovation and mechanics, types of innovation, product like creating new good or service process, improving how it handles process. Okay, we can innovate in processes like improving how it's made, faster and less waste, or directly innovate a product, creating a new good or service. Okay, so good and service are both in the product only organization, changing internal business workspace structures, innovation methods. Three methods of innovation: incremental, making an existing product better, or implementing means updating the product radically, new tech that revolutions an existing market. Okay, new tech product that revolutionizes an existing market, and then the disruptive, identifying and displacing the market leader. Okay, so disruptive is like uh, old things, remove the old things and bring the new things. Yeah, like kind of this thing. And then the five-step innovation cycle, exploring, mapping, aligning, creating, staging, repeats, and all. So see, I haven't learned all the things. Okay, I'm just like, what I've understood, I'm just trying to say and explain to you. And then the team dynamics communication, Techman stage of team development form, teams like be polite don't like don't have an unclear rules, storm conflict areas arise conflict arises, turbulent atmosphere, and then the norms, trust builds collaboration, perform high functioning and hitting goals. I mean the lencioni, it is lencioni or lencioni, five dysfunctions. This first, absence of trust, fear of conflict, lack of commitment, avoidance of accountability, intention to results, absence of trust, fear of conflict, lack of commitment. Okay. So yeah, and then the communication styles, conceptual, structural, analytical, social, people focused, relationship driven, the social. Okay, so these are the types of communication styles. And then the fourth topic, product managers roles and life cycle, the two hat. Okay, so this is like the two hat, product manager and also a project manager. Okay, so what is a product manager and what is a project manager? Okay, so like in short, product manager is, you can say it is a big thing because it is the person is managing the whole product. But a project manager is like a manager of a project. Like he or she is just like managing a project. A project can be shorter, but a product, as I told you earlier, a product manager manages the whole life cycle of the product. So okay, so that's what. So when a PM tries to be both, okay, so when a product manager tries to be the both product manager and the project manager, then he or she is called the two hat syndrome. Okay. Risk is also multitasking, overload, delegate it so that you don't overload or burn out. These stakeholders, these are the stakeholders, the persons related to the product or that gets affected by the product. Okay, so product owner, the designer, business analysis, portfolio manager, and then the product management life cycle phase. Okay, so this is the life cycle of the product. Conceive, plan, develop, qualify, launch, qualify into two steps, beta and prep, deliver, never retires, and settle all. The fifth topic, the last product, what is it? PR and the go-to market. PR plan sequence. Identify goals like, I forgot what is the PR full form. Project role, product role or something. Okay, let's leave it like here. Let's go forward. Identify the goals, determine the target audience, and then the market positioning, defining our project compared to competitors to communicate a specific brand image on the customer's mind. Okay. So yeah, these were the notes on the process. So okay, so we have done this thing. Okay, so like what like I have a thought in my mind that maybe today I have wasted my time because I opted out from the course. Like I didn't like it. I'm thinking like my mind is also going that side. But also I'm thinking that positive thinking that yeah, I came to know about the product manager or the project manager because earlier I didn't know about the product manager or project manager. So the main thing of you can say the juice or the juicy thing that I learned from this course was to know about who is a product manager, what is the work of his, what is the work of him or her, what is a product manager or like I also came to know something about project manager, also project management, product management, and the frameworks and all. So yeah, like enjoy the journey. Okay. And yeah, like I let it go. Okay. So yeah, I completed. Yeah. So that's why I've written 100% completed these two courses. And from the next thing that I'm going to do is the meta social media marketing course. I'm going to try it out and let's see, will I be liking it or will I like it or not? Like, I don't know, maybe or maybe not. So, okay, next thing, university assignment. Yeah, I submitted this again, the principles of project programming. Like, I haven't checked the score of what I've got, but I submitted an assignment. Sorry. And then the university exam prep. Okay, I paused it because the deadlines of the assignment submission is this month only. That's why. And the Chinese learning, yeah, I'm listening, but today I skipped it, okay, because I was feeling quite a bit like a negative feel, or you can say like a failure feel something because like I didn't want it, not wanted, but I couldn't complete the course also. That's why. Like I'm recording in this like a night time, okay, that's why. And then the Aspire moderator, so I'm moderating my shift and preparing for the next session. So maybe I will do so like yeah, I'm preparing for the next session. I like I came from moderating only. That's and after that I'm recording. And for the sports section, calisthenics, yeah, handstand is allowed. Doing the push-ups, pull-ups, dips, and sit-ups, but not frequently or not so hard because because of the football match only because it is the season, football season in India, and we are like I'm having a daily match, friendly matches. So like I'm getting tired and all. Because friendly match, you are not a defender, you're not a striker. You are all okay, like a defender also, striker also, and winger also. That's why kind of exhausted. So I'm trying to become like this week. I thought to only focus on the handstand. and like only in the calisthenics part, but but kind of feeling tired, and so that's why not so much focused on the calisthenics part, but trying to do it. Like today only, I didn't feel doing anything in the sports section of here, like except the football because it's a friendly match and you enjoy, you play and all. But yeah, martial arts paused. Like I'm trying to catch up with it, but this week I put it paused, so that's why. So yeah, we have covered all the things. Let me check. Yeah, we have covered all the things. So yeah, it's the ending. So what you say? So yeah, thank you for listening to me, and Jazakallah khair for listening. And like I'm also feeling a little bit guilt also, like it's the third video and like it's 15th, and the date is 15th, like 15 days that has passed and I've only uploaded 3 videos. So I have to be consistent, like it should be what to say, like 15 should be around 5 to 6 videos. Okay, so yeah, like otherwise the video will be long and you all won't like it, maybe because you know attention span and all. So thank you for listening me and Jazakallah khair. And what to say, yeah, like learn, do the things, enjoy your day, live the life, love the life, be happy, be a good man. Okay. And yeah, study and do the things that you like. Okay, but do the things that you like, but it should be like, see, yeah, I do the things that I like, but also there's a backup, like what Allah has told me to do, the halal things. Okay, so that's why. So yeah, explore yourself, try different things and all. And yeah, so thank you. And Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.